All right, don't mind the wind and the road noise, but we went and made ourselves a purchase today. Let's give you a walk around to this cherry we just picked up in South Dakota. We were told the man was a little bit of an eccentric. We got to do some things before we send this thing down the road the next hour and a half so we don't start on fire. Starting with all the felt that's under the hood and all the good wiring, because those are fluorescent bulbs on the spark plug wires. Yeah, I think it's gonna run better when we get rid of the fluorescents. A couple of those got a little burned out, the extra tapes. So we got a whole new kit of wires we're gonna put on there. Well, we've already gotten a lot of people coming to talk to us. There's a few more things we got to look at before we can drive this thing home, like that fuel pump that's baling wired under there, just hanging out. Well, there you go. She's got the new zip ties, tightened up the baling wire a little. That's going to put us down the road an hour. Cross your fingers. Okay, now that we've added and removed the equal amount of 100 plus zip ties, we are going to do the ultimate goal of, let's tear off that Firehazard felt. Like being the guy that pulls the scab. Ooh, the original paint color even. Yeah, the fact this car wasn't on fire just blows my mind. Oh. Here, I'll hold that hood up. Get it? Oh, you're bending my hood. Okay, definitely less fire is going to happen under here. I feel safer already. It's definitely a look. Oh my, the support is not really attached. That's fine. It's fine. It's strong. That's why it has the hood pins. Now don't cut my, I don't know, lamp cord that runs that fan. I don't know. I'm not holding the hood. Flip the knife over. There we go. I mean, it took some away from it, but I do feel like driving in an hour down the road with flash cotton under the hood was a bad idea. All right, I think we got enough things fixed on. Let's see if she makes it. I gotta take all this in. She's a beaut. So glad I spend my money on such important things. Well, it isn't too sketchy. It definitely goes down the road. We've received definitely more thumbs up than we've traveled miles so far. She's definitely a hoot to stare at. All right, we've made it about 46 miles. Stopped at the gas station again because the gas gauge don't work. It says it's only used a gallon. Matt can't be right on that. We must be trying to pump uphill or something. So we'll just keep plugging it away down the county roads, and I think she'll make it. She's doing good so far. Probably almost a week later. Last time I moved it, in the middle of the rain, I revved her up to about 4,200 RPM just to kind of see what she sounded like out the backside. And she didn't like it. She didn't like it at all. She kind of cut herself deep, and she let go of all these beautiful plastic oil pressure lines we got coming off that fitting down there. So it did come home. We drove it at multiple different speeds, maybe some high, maybe some low. The brakes worked, the tranny worked. Everything was good for a car that's been sitting. So we will come back with another edition of this video when we break down everything that this car has going on and show you all of the wonderfulness that is this '64 Ford Fairlane.